Hey y'all, it's your girl Sheena with sheisfab and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheena and she does all the things. If you're an oldie but a goodie, hey girl, hey girl, hey, you know how we do. So today's video is a wig review and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love this wig. It was sent to me from a company called Hairspells, and I want to thank Hairspells for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much. So all of the information about this unit will be down in the description box if you are interested. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I give it a 10 out of a 10. I think the color looks great on me. If you girlies are interested in changing your hair color but you don't want to dye your hair, definitely try a unit. Or if you want to get a little spicy, switch things up, do a little role playing, this is the way to go, girl. This is the way to go, because I'm feeling real sultry and sexy in this wig. You know, Sheena is sultry and sexy, but child, this is like on a whole nother level. Okay, I absolutely love it. So get into it. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I slayed this wig, just keep watching. Okay, so let's get into the unit. The unit comes in a satin bag. I did get a little water on the bag as it was sitting in my sink. This is the unit. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a Brazilian body wave. The color is P427. It's a lace frontal wig. It's 22 inches long, and then it's 150% density. It has a strap to secure it down, 3 combs, full frontal, and it also has a strap. So yeah, the color is absolutely beautiful. I believe it is called a balayage, if I'm saying that correctly, with the beautiful highlights. It was very soft, very easy to put on. As you can see here, I'm just showing you the hairline and the lace. Really pretty wig. I was impressed as taking it out of the bag. Okay, now I'm just showing you how much of the lace is on the wig. It does go all the way to my ears. And just showing you the back of the wig. It is so pretty, guys. It really complements my skin. I love it. Very soft. Now I'm going to cut the lace. Everyone cuts the lace a little bit different. I personally don't like a lot of lace. I don't want my lace to be seen. So I cut my lace as close as I can to my actual hairline. So yeah. Okay, so here I am doing a middle part, but as you can tell in the intro, I ended up doing a side part. It's just personal preference. I think when I wear units, especially long units, a side part looks better on my face shape. That's just, personal preference. There's nothing wrong with a middle part, but again, I just think when I wear units and I wear longer units, a side part just looks much better on me. Yeah, I love this wig, guys. I love the color. So right now I'm going to take my wax stick just to lay down the hair, the humps in the hair. This was not, I should have got a different wax stick. I use this wax stick more on my natural hair than on a unit. I would not recommend that wax stick on a unit. But again, it didn't, mess anything up. It just made the hair a little bit weighed down, which you can easily If you make this kind of mistake, you can easily get it out with dry shampoo. I just didn't have any. But again, I ended up doing a side part, so you couldn't even tell. But again, I don't recommend that wax stick. So I'm just combing out the part, trying to decide if I'm going to do a side part. And yes, I did. Okay, so now I'm just taking a little bit of this Wonder Glue and securing the wig. I did forget to tie the edges down. I forgot that step, but the glue completely, held the unit in place. So it's okay that I forgot this step. But yeah, right now I'm just adding this glue to my edges so I can secure the units. So now I'm just taking out a little bit of hair from the front just to make a few edges just to blend in with my natural edges. I did cut the lace far back because again, I don't want the lace to show, and I also don't do baby hair. So I just pulled out some of the hair from the hairline of the unit just to blend it in with my natural edges. And now I'm just going to cut more of that lace because again, I don't want the lace to show. So this is the piece of the lace that didn't lay down with the glue. So yeah. Now I'm just going to use my hot comb just to smooth things out. And again, I'm going to end up with the side part and have to do it all over again. So just keep watching. And just like that, there we go with the side part. I just think that the side part complements my face so much better than the middle part. Let me know down in the comments if you would agree. Again, I'm just smoothing things out with the hot comb. The hair went, I was able to use the hot comb very easily with the hair. Here I am feeling myself. I'm actually really loving the side part. Yeah. Everything is looking good. Yes, I think I did pretty good with that lace, guys. Yes, this color is everything. It looks so good on my skin. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of makeup to the lace in the front just to blend it a little bit better. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of makeup or concealer just to make the part a little bit more defined on the side. I did not pluck it to get a more defined part. I just used some concealer, and I think that worked out really, really good. And again, I really, really like this wig. Thank you so much, Hairspells. All right, child, here I go trying to put some layers in the hair. I ain't went to nobody's beauty school. I'm a whole nurse, but listen, you can learn anything on YouTube University, okay? So I'm just cutting a few layers in the hair. Don't really know what I'm doing, child, but listen, you can't tell me nothing. I love this hair. And now I'm going to add some curls. I'm not the best at curling. This unit would be fantastic if I had done flexi rods. Definitely when I wear the unit again, I'm going to get a braid down and then I'm going to flexi rod it and just come back and show you guys how bomb it is. But right now I'm just doing some curls with the curling iron. And again, the hair curled really, really well. It's just my technique. I'm not that fantastic with a curling iron, child. Wow. I did a great job. She cute, or whatever. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love, love, love. I am not the best at curling hair, so the curls have already fallen, but this is the length of the hair, if you can see it. I do believe it's 22 inches. So yeah, I absolutely love it. The only con I would say is that it does shed. You know, I'm going to be very honest and transparent with you guys, but it's not unmanageable. I think it's a beautiful color. I did start out with a middle part, but when it comes to units, I am more of a side part type of girl. So yeah, we went ahead and switched it, and I did put a little makeup to make a part. I did really well with the lace. You guys know I don't do baby hairs or anything of that sort. That's not me, okay? So yeah, I love the hair. I would give it a 10 out of 10, highly recommend. If you want to change the color of your hair, but you do not want to dye your hair, units are the perfect way. It's the perfect way to go. I mean, there's nothing else for me to say. Now, I will say I came into my dressing room so that you guys could see the true color of the wig, because I feel like it was kind of dark in the bathroom. And I am testing out a new camera, and I have not quite, I don't think I got the right settings as of yet. So, but anyway, yes, I am very, very satisfied with this unit, and I want to thank Hairspells for sponsoring this video. Yeah, guys, so let me know down in the comment what you think. I think the length is perfect. I'm actually gonna go ahead and get a good braid down so that I could actually, you know, rock this wig. I love it. Yeah, I love protective styles. Y'all know that I am natural, and this is another way to go when it comes to protective styling. So yeah, And if I'm playing in it, it's because I ain't got this layer right here, and it is falling into my face. So yeah, guys, if you have made it this far and you like my content, I hope you will consider subscribing. If you are an oldie but a goodie girl, you know I love you. Thank y'all so much for all your love and support. Like this video, share with a good sis. Definitely go on the Hairspell website and see what you can pick up. You know, if you just want to change the look, do a little role play with your man. You know how we do, girl. So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.